Welcome to our channel Power BI News, where we discuss only about Power BI. Today, we're diving into the top 5 things you need to learn in Power BI service to take your data analytics game to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, mastering these features will boost your productivity and expertise. Number 1. Workspaces. Workspaces are the backbone of Power BI service. They allow you to organize your reports, datasets, and dashboards. Workspaces also facilitate collaboration by providing a shared space where team members can view, edit, and contribute to content. Make sure you know how to create, manage, and assign roles within Workspaces to keep your projects running smoothly. Number 2. Data refresh and scheduling. Automating data refreshes ensures your reports always display the most current data. Power BI service offers flexible scheduling options for imported data models and seamless updates for direct query connections. Learning how to set up and troubleshoot data refresh schedules can save you a ton of time and help maintain data accuracy. Number 3. Sharing and collaboration. One of the biggest advantages of Power BI service is the ability to share reports and dashboards securely. You can share content directly with colleagues or create Power BI apps for broader distribution. Understand the different permission settings like viewer, member, and admin roles to keep your data secure while enabling efficient collaboration. Number 4. Power BI apps. These allow you to bundle multiple dashboards and reports into a single, easy-to-distribute package. Power BI apps offer a streamlined experience and ensure that stakeholders have access to the right data. If you want to deliver professional-grade analytic solutions, publishing and managing apps should definitely be on your skill list. Number 5. Row-level security, or RLS. This powerful feature lets you restrict data access based on user roles. It's crucial for maintaining data confidentiality and ensuring users only see the data relevant to them. Mastering RLS involves setting up roles, defining DAX-based rules, and thoroughly testing access from different perspectives. So those were the top 5 things to learn in Power BI service. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into data analytics and Power BI. Let us know in the comments which feature you'd like to learn more about. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.